Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef Din and as you can see we are really busy here trying to get everything ready before we start cooking our curries. I've already now finished my 6th episode showing how to cook the base gravy, as you can see here. This method of cooking base probably doesn't exist anymore because chefs nowadays want to cook everything quick and therefore losing that flavour. I'm also adding stock to the gravy because it's very important the gravy is full of flavour, because this is your main ingredient, and then we're going to just put everything together, which I will show you when we start to cook our individual curries. Now I have a lot of curries to show you how to cook, so watch all the videos and also watch it right through. Please don't skip it because you miss what I'm doing. I'm going to basically show you in the video how to cook it in real time. You should have it all ready like this, and then we'll be able to start, and you'll have to watch, learn and listen basically, and that way you learn how to cook bendi bhaji here. We've got Bombay potato, we've got mushroom bhaji, we have sagalu and brinjal bhaji, and meat du piazza, and masala of course. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you, so let's get cooking. Okay, masala, a little bit of buna onions, chicken,
masala.
Yeah, we're doing masala now. So we got chicken, we got almond powder, we got coconut powder, we got sugar, a little bit of sultanas, a little bit of coriander, methi, and the most important ingredient, the masala sauce, and also a little bit of tomato sauce. Give that a good mix, and then goes in the base gravy. This is Juliana's favourite, so in this we're going to put a little bit of red chilli, because she likes it a little bit spicy.
Of course.
So a little bit of red chilli, and let's put a drop of cream. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah, give it a good stir.
Oh wow.
Let it heat up. If the chicken is too big, let it break it down a bit. Okay, perfect.
Stunning looking now.
What do you want? Do you want a meat one thing?
Yeah, next one.
Meat one or something?
Meat
Rogan?
buna.
Buna.
Let's have a meat buna.
Yeah, it's so interesting now to see it. Like, I get what you mean exactly. Like, in a very true sense that this is the restaurant style stuff where they have the one large pots of this, but
Yeah.
one pot cook at home
Yeah.
is much more. It's much more economical and much more efficient to cook that style. at
Of
home,
course. If
rather
it's you having like a couple of friends round,
yeah,
then the one pot curries are perfect.
isn't it? Yeah, yeah, really is. I mean, you could do a nice rice, one pot curry,
Yeah, that's it.
you know, and you're laughing.
Hour and a half, all done.
Yeah.
I think sometimes people want to see how it's done in a restaurant, you know, like you know. How many curries have we done so far?
With the side dishes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 6. So we've got another 15 to go.
So do 2 more main dishes.
Yeah, then we have a break.
How do you find it?
What's
I mean,
that?
Like it's not your favourite dish, but like it's nice when you're tasting it.
Actually, I never used to eat restaurant curries.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I have the chefs cook a staff curry.
Yeah.
So they would cook a staff curry and we would eat at the end. But sometimes I used to have a chicken madras with chips, you know?
Yeah.
If like, it was really busy and they didn't have time to cook a
And it was
staff
there,
curry.
whatever. Yeah, I similar enough.
Yeah.
We're very similar.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, so
I would have a chicken madras with chips and it was perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
But curries like this, I normally don't eat. You know.
Yeah, but I mean, and that's like I get that. But when you're tasting it there, I can see a pride. Is that a chef pride, or is
Yeah,
that just a taste of home pride, or is that?
I was tasting it just to see if it's hot enough for Juliana.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And
See,
cause it's one of those dishes as well. Tikka masala. It's like people don't want it for its hotness, right?
Yeah.
They want it for its sweetness and its creaminess.
but you've never ever tasted a masala like this. I guarantee you.
Oh,
And
it's
that's
lovely.
the look. That's what I was looking at. This is the look in the face of that look. That's what that meant. That's what that meant. So that's what I was edging for.
Yeah.
Gonna do a korma then,
Yeah, korma. Okay.
a meat korma.
Okay, meat buna and korma. Shame we haven't got more burners.
No, you better do more of the ones that you like.
Okay, I do a jiao fry and meat buna. That's it. I think that's more than enough for us.
Yeah.
See, you don't want to have it too thick and you don't want to have it too thin.
Yeah.
So all we're doing really is thickening up the sauce.
It's just reducing it down
Yeah.
and thickening it up a little bit, right?
Some people say, oh, bring it down, caramelization and all this. I'm not sure what that actually means.
Right.
All we're doing is thickening up the curry.
But caramelization is like it's a different thing.
Yeah.
Like to say that with a
Well,
curry, it's
that's it. That's what normally they...